Breaking! This is why billionaires are investing in Cardano ADA. Watch this if you hold 500 Cardano coins. Cardano is one of the popular blockchain technologies with higher output efficiency than the Ethereum blockchain. This blockchain is said to be an evidence-based blockchain that supports customers and their requirements. Creating a marketplace on Cardano requires certain prerequisites: ownership of the Cardano node, fundamental knowledge of the Cardano command line interface, holding an ADA wallet with a few tokens. Today we're going to talk all about why billionaires are investing in Cardano and why you should hold at least 500 ADA coins. So watch this video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 12th of January, shall we? ADA's ascending broadening wedge, white, reversed from near the $1.59 resistance level. As a result, it saw a 29.63% retracement from the 27th of December high until it poked its 5-month low on 8th of January. The down channel white oscillation flipped the $1.2 mark from support to immediate resistance. The bulls had ensured this level since July, but succumbed to a broader sell-off. Now immediate resistance stood at the upper channel that coincided with the 20 SMA near $1.2. Recently, the pullback volumes exceeded the buying volumes, revealing a strong bearish perception. At press time, ADA traded at $1.163. The RSI was in an uptrend and saw a bullish divergence, yellow, with price action, but still strived to close above the half line. Now let's get back to the topic. Cardano uses a proof-of-stake mechanism. It's the first to be developed through evidence-based methods and founded on peer-reviewed research. Its groundbreaking technologies give decentralized applications, systems, and civilizations unrivaled security and long-term viability. Ouroboros combines unique technology, behavioral psychology, and economic philosophy to ensure the blockchain security and sustainability. Ouroboros protocol is said to be the first protocol based on peer-reviewed research, and it enables Cardano network's decentralization and scales global requirements without compromising security. Ouroboros combines unique technology, behavioral psychology, and economic philosophy to ensure the security and sustainability of the blockchain. Cardano NFT Marketplace uses smart contracts, which is an important feature for a full-fledged NFT marketplace. It helps to run the NFT market peacefully by providing authenticity and high profits to the NFT marketplace. Few companies who assist you in setting up a marketplace development will help you set up smart contracts. They are also fully secured and make sure you can go ahead with your marketplace. Nowadays, the Cardano marketplace is hype in the industry. Few companies help in setting up a marketplace like Cardano. However, Cardano has fascinated many audiences and entrepreneurs in the crypto industry. The important aspect of Cardano is traceability and identity management. Another aspect that attracts an audience is the peer-reviewed system, which is new to the blockchain industry. Cardano is a public blockchain that titles the third-generation blockchain technology. It will create a milestone in the blockchain industry. The transaction speed is around 257 transactions per second, and the fee is very low compared to other marketplaces. Hence, Cardano made themselves an alternate to the Ethereum blockchain, as they're upgrading themselves in a more advanced way. People are moving forward in building a marketplace like Cardano, as they're the best in the making. They have smart contracts making the job easier and earning more profits. The people are going towards this thing due to their advanced technology. Few companies use this to help others build a marketplace like Cardano in this blockchain technology. You can approach the need of those companies helping you in setting up smart contract-based Cardano and help you achieve the heights others are moving forward. Getting together and earning together with an agency help you move forward in achieving your goal. This is the most turnover in the marketplace. The people are always aware of this and start updating their goal and make themselves occupied in the industry, achieving more. NFT's rise made people think about the efficiency of the technology and the security they're providing, making them unique. Get ready to witness a new world. If we talk about Ben Armstrong, aka BitBoy, he shared his viewpoint and also said, "I love Cardano. I think Cardano and Ethereum are going to be around for a long time. I think Polkadot factors in somewhere, but I really personally believe more in Ethereum and Cardano. I think that Polkadot has a place, I think Elrond has a place, and Solana has a place, but I think we're looking at the two giants here, and I think they're going to remain that way. We're seeing now some institutions are looking at Cardano, and I think there's a reason for that. They understand the long-term play. CryptoJed also has a positive remark for Cardano. He mentioned the fact that ADA has a maximum supply, unlike Ethereum. Jed is of the opinion that Cardano ADA has the potential to perform outstandingly in the long term. He said, "You can look at the whole cryptocurrency market as one massive index fund that all moves together. A lot of these cryptocurrencies have very high correlation, so whenever Bitcoin rallies, the altcoins are naturally going to follow, and in fact the altcoins are outpacing Bitcoin right now. One of the reasons that I love Cardano is that, unlike Ethereum, it actually has a maximum supply of 45 million coins. Ethereum does not, at the moment, have a maximum supply, which means that it is subject to continual inflation unlike Bitcoin, and in this case, unlike Cardano. So while both of them do something similar as far as an investment in the coin, he also added that, "I think Cardano is going to do exceptionally well in the long term, especially as it's coming out of that price discovery phase that happened in Q4 of last year. It's rallied up to $1.48, and I think based on all the fundamentals that you and I are talking about here, it's going to go much higher. I think in the next 2 years, it could go between $5 and $15. In fact, in the next couple of months, I think it's going to go to more like $2 to $3. The IOHK CEO Charles Hoskinson also gave his perspective on why Cardano will outshine Ethereum 2.0. In an interview with Ben Armstrong, aka BitBoy Crypto, Hoskinson spoke about Cardano having a simpler and more robust design than Ethereum. What's more, he doubts whether this added complexity will result in higher throughput, better scalability, and more security for the Ethereum network. The number of Cardano ADA wallets has grown over 1,200% year over year, from 190,000 to 2.5 million, showing that adoption of the cryptocurrencies network has been steadily growing, partly thanks to the implementation of smart contracts. According to data shared by the Cardano Foundation, from last Christmas to now, the number of ADA wallets has grown by over 1,200%. According to available data, the price of the cryptocurrency has grown nearly 780% over the same period. According to Crypto Compare's recent asset report, in October there were 50,506 active addresses on the Cardano blockchain, while in November there were a total of 216,072 active addresses. Grigard added that the Cardano ecosystem has seen its utility and adoption grow, partly thanks to the successful launch of the Alonzo hard fork, which brought programmability to Cardano, allowing it to accommodate smart contracts and with them, decentralized applications, of which the decentralized finance DeFi space is built around. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land. Bye!